What's up everyone? In this video, I will show you how to change the internal battery in this Acura ZDX key fob. Your key fob might have, I think, an extra, some of them have an extra button here. It's this, as long as it's the same model, it's this black with the silver sides. Exact same procedure, just follow along and you'll be able to change your battery in no time. All you will need is one CR2032 battery and a flathead screwdriver. If you want to get one of these online, the battery, I'll put a link down in the description to get it on Amazon for just a couple bucks. First step, push on this button on the bottom to remove your internal key. And here's the keyhole. Right to the side of it is a little slot used to open the key fob. We're going to take a flathead screwdriver just like this, insert it in to that slot, just gently twist. Just twisting in there until you've created a little opening, and now you can work your way down, twisting until it clicks open. Here's our battery. We just want to come in on the side, get our tool under it, and just kind of rock and pry, and you can see it'll pop right out. Take a new CR2032 battery. Make sure the positive side with the text and the battery info is facing up, just like this. Position it in first, kind of push it in to this area under the little pieces of plastic. Push it in like this, and then click the other side. Whoops. Push it in and click the other side down. Just make sure it's sitting flush like that. And that's really all it takes. You just have to reconnect the two halves of plastic, pop your key back in there, and you're done. If the light comes on, you're all set. If this video was helpful, feel free to leave a like or a comment, and to see the full guide on how to change this battery, or a guide for any of the Acura key fobs, click the link in the description to go to fobbattery.com. Thank you so much for watching.